Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you the D major open scales. Open scales are wonderful scales to learn to play the guitar. They can really enhance your guitar playing, especially for lead guitar. So in this scenario today, I'm going over the D major open scale. Now, let's start this off. I'm going to show you what it looks like and sounds like. All right, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is play that open D on the fourth string. Then I'm going to play that E with my index finger on the fourth string, second fret. Then I'm going to use my ring finger on the fourth string on the fourth fret to play that F sharp. Then I'm going to play that open G on the third string. Then I'm going to use my index finger on the third string, second fret, to play that A. Then I'm going to go down to the second string and play that open B. Then I'm going to use my index finger on the second string, second fret, to play that C sharp. Then I'm going to use my middle finger on the second string, third fret, to play that D. Then I'm going to play that open E string, that first string, just play that open. Then I'm going to put my index finger on the second fret of the first string to play that F sharp. Then I'm going to place my middle finger on the first string, third fret, to play that G. Then I'm going to place my little finger on the first string, fifth fret, to play that A. Then I'll take my hand, I'm going to slide it up. I'll slide that index finger up to the first string, seventh fret, to play that B. I'll place my ring finger on the first string, ninth fret, to play that C sharp. Then I'm going to end it with the D. I'm going to place my little finger on the first string, 10th fret, to play that D. So real slowly, sounds like this. Again, Mr. G, that's the D major open scale. Great scale to learn, great scale to practice and add into your practice routine. Hey, keep on jamming and don't forget to check out my other videos on scales.